This is the Rexpeed V3 carbon kit. This is a 3-piece kit, technically 4. You got a front, you got some sides, and you got 2 pieces on the back for the rear spats. This kit I like a lot. Here we're looking at it in a forged carbon matte finish. It will come available in 4 different finishes. You can check our website for all those options. And it might even come in available in an FRP or just a flat black finish to match this, and you can paint it if you want. I do like the kit. I like the design of this. It flows really well with the car, and I like it. It protrudes out a little bit. It's also pretty deep. It's a good 3 inches from center down. So it does bring a lot of aggressiveness to the front end of the car. This uses all the factory OEM hardware and locations for mounting. It does have 3 bolts in the center area, so it does adhere really well and very strong. You can create additional support if you want to. We do suggest it for higher speeds. Okay, so the kit, we don't stock the kit here in the United States. This kit is very large and it's very expensive to ship. So similar to the V2 kit, which I'll show you guys some pictures and we'll do some comparisons later in the video, comparing the V2 Rexpeed kit to the V3 Rexpeed kit. This kit ships directly from the manufacturer. We pre-order them, have them built, sitting there waiting for us, for our customers, for you guys, and then we ship it directly to you in the States, or if you're in Australia or Europe or any place like that. It does save us time, as well as logistics, and as well as handling. The more people that handle this, if it came here, it would be added cost, and then we'd have to reship it back to you. So to minimize cost as well as damage, we have it shipped directly from the manufacturer to you guys. It will ship normally in about 3 to 5 business days after you place your order. Like I said, they are sitting there waiting for us. We do pre-order these and have them sitting there in batches ready to go. Sometimes it just takes them a couple days to box it, put some finishing touches on it. So anyways, enjoy the kit. We're going to show you some B-roll of how we installed it. It does use some nice rivets on the sides. The back uses 2 of the OEM locations, plus it adds an extra screw. It's a very good kit. It's a little up there in price. Please message us directly for the best price on this kit, and we can work you out a special deal for a limited time. All right, guys, I'm gonna put the owner's Instagram right here so you can check out the build, see her progress, and see what she's done to the car. While the car was in here, besides doing the V3 kit, here's the section of the rear spat that I was talking about earlier. We also put the Borla exhaust on. Now, one thing, we talked to Borla. Borla is claiming this exhaust does not fit the 21 cars. So we had some issues fitting the valve on. They also claim that they welded something incorrect. So we are working on solutions. We'll get back to you guys and we'll post some links below. But if not, feel free to message us and we'll let you know what's going on with the Borla exhaust. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little insight on the side skirt that we're gonna put on. This is the V3 Rexpeed kit that we were talking about earlier. Rexpeed supplies it with this nut insert, okay? And it's made out of aluminum, and it comes with this bolt. Comes with this bolt, hex head on it. And it worked really well. We put it in, we drilled a pilot hole for these. It just didn't expand enough, so it really wasn't holding it in. We're obviously gonna put tape on it and things like that. But this is a well nut, or another nut cert. And it's, we picked this up at our local store. We're working with the manufacturer to try to get this, but this is the proper way to install this into this plastic. When this goes in, this much of it, the first little part, is got the threads, and when you start locking this thing down, it squishes down and it mushrooms, and it really gets this thing secured properly. So this is what we used. We're actually looking to replace the parts in the kit. We're working with the manufacturer on it, but I just want to give you guys some insight on how we installed the side skirt. So we lined it up, so we have 2 line markers, and then we have the side skirt actually taped. All right, so when we put that up, as you guys saw how the tape was, we lined it up with the 2 blue pieces, and we lock it in and push it in, and then we're gonna put the nut cert bolts through, and this thing's gonna be on pretty secure. It's really important to get the tape on the front area right here. All right, guys, so we came outside, we brought Stephanie's car, put her Instagram right here again, brought it outside so you can see the matte forged carbon out in the sun, see how it pops. It really does. It looks a lot different than it did inside our shop. I also want to show you the difference between the V3 kit, which is a lot thicker like we showed you, and I want to show you the V2 kit. So the V2 kit is a lot thinner and kind of goes underneath the car, where this one mounts up onto the car. Let us know below what you guys really like, which one is better, which one's your opinion. And again, that's the regular carbon, and this is a matte forged look. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video, but we're gonna let you guys hear this Borla exhaust. Again, we are working with Chris and Ryan over at Borla to figure out why they're telling us that this does not fit the 21s, and it does only fit the 20 models exclusively. So we're trying to figure out why, and if they're redesigning the valve or what it is. They're claiming that there's a valve change. Maybe you guys know more than I do. Let us know below. But anyways, let's leave you guys with some revs and we'll go from there. One more.